Man, that's money right there. Maybe that should be the thumbnail. Alright, what's up folks? Welcome back. So when we left, I had a broken drill bit, and that was preventing me from finishing up my project over here. So I'm just going through here, and I just drilled holes through both sides of this piece right here, and now I can fit the bigger bit down in there. I just don't want to do exactly what I did last time, so hopefully I can avoid all that. I just don't even know if this is going to be exactly where they need to be. So I end up just going all crazy with it anyways, probably again. I should just grind these down. So here. Alright, so yeah, it looks like it should work out. The metal all lines up. I'm going to go ahead and grab another carriage bolt real quick. Yeah, I'm just going to cut this section out. Cut this whole little half pyramid, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to cut it out. Alright, so I got the bracket all smoothed down. This totally ugly bracket that I made. No, so we should be straight. Both the bolts are in, and you can see there the holes for the carriage bolt that's at the bottom are straight. So I can go ahead and mount this back up. So now that I made sure that the bolts, both these carriage bolts, clear this mount, because I cut this huge hole in it, I'm going to go ahead and mount this back up. And so get that going. Voila. There it is. Oh, just kidding. One more thing. We got to put those seat belts on. So it looks like we're going to want... I mean, do I even care if it's spaced out a little bit? It's going to be an awkward position for sure. And... man, this might be the only part of the whole thing that I really have to change, because I'm hanging up on this right here. I'm getting really close to this as it is, and I think maybe just stacking a few washers. I got some fat ones in here that should clear the carriage bolt, the squared off part in the carriage bolt. Go like 3 washers on the inside. And they're not going to clear the carriage bolts like I wanted them to. I don't want to have to drill them. A couple more stacks. I think I'm going to end up getting oh, you can't even see this. Wow, great job, buddy. Just too excited. So there's my little stack of washers. See how that sits much better. It's not stressing on the seat as much as it was, so that's gonna do that for sure. Let's go ahead and button that one up. Got some lock washers for that up there. There you go, that looks way better. That's more of what you want to see with a lock washer and washer setup, I think, in my humble opinion. Alright, there we go. I have seat belts. I have seat rails. I have sliders. I have a seat. Whoops. There it is. My completed seat setup. But we all know it's not 100% complete until it's in the car, so let's go do that real quick. Glasses anymore. Get a little see-through action here. Now I 100% haven't tried this yet, so all the reactions that you're going to be seeing are 100% real. Now, just to be safe, when I go to install these for the first time, and maybe every time after, depending on how bad or how far off I am, in terms of measurement, I'm going to go ahead and loosen the brackets that secure to the driver's side door side. And what that should do is give me just a little bit of play when it comes to mounting these bolts up. I should have done this before I put it in there, it looks like. Whoops. definitely not going to be able to weld these seats. It's going to be a bolt-on bracket application, and that's kind of worrisome, I guess. But I mean, if I get in a car accident so fast where it can shear bolts off like that are secured to like the frame, basically, I don't know. I'm probably gonna be dead anyway. So YOLO. Lefty Lucy. Righty Tatty. It's good. This is bolted in. I did it. I did it, you guys. It is bolted in. I have a car seat. Make sure I don't have anything sharp on me because I'm going to hop on in here. It's got a really weird reclining mechanism. And the seat's kind of loose. Something just popped in there, so I think maybe that's good. Yeah, where's the seatbelt? Let's see how that feels. Awkward seatbelt placement. It's up. It's down here in the pocket of my hip on this side, and it's like about this far from the same pocket of my hip on this side. And I guess I could find a way to make it mount better, but if I'm gonna be completely honest, I hardly ever ride with my lap belt. So remember that if I ever die in like a horrible car accident, one of these things. But the seat's in here. I'm in my seat. I'm reclining back in my Recaro. I got the Recaros installed in my car, yo. Where the video cut out at, when it cut out because the memory card got full, but I'm never having that problem again because your boy just bought a gang of new memory cards. So there's the seat. Remove this. Now that I'm not going to have this seat on my workbench anymore, I can expose its beautiful body to you all. I hope I didn't make it so these seats would be too far back all the time, because that's what a mistake I made on the other ones, and people's legs were always getting hit. Oh, you know what? I can't drive a car without a steering wheel. Oh yeah. Boom. Lock that steering wheel. I got my Recaros in my car, yo. It's going down. I'm juiced right now. Makes me want to fix everything. You know what? These seats do not feel that bad at all. That's it. That's the end of the video. That's it. You made it. We made it. I got one seat knocked out. I have the prototype done. All I gotta do is flip-flop the positions of the holes on the brackets and go and make those brackets, basically just reverse them. I'm going to see if I can use the same brackets. So I guess I do have to take the seat back out. Damn. Sheesh. It's going to be a clean setup. Too bad that steering wheel belongs in my other car. I got something in the works for the gold steering wheel I got. I don't want to drop anything or tell you guys what I'm planning because I don't want to let myself down or you guys down. I'm going to be quite honest. But that's going to do it. Look at that. And the back seat area, I'm not too concerned about the space back here. But the seats do that, which is going to be nice if I ever want to do anything in the back seat of my car. Heard me? I want to make a way for me to pull these seats out and then have a flat wooden like platform here, and then I think that would be like the super cool way to camp in this car. Just a little side thought. But there it is. Here are those brackets that I was mentioning that I can't have completely tightened down when I install the seat. Basically, if you want to do this right, you're gonna go back and forth a lot more than I did, and I bet most of you guys didn't even stay through the first like full video, I mean, of the step-by-step for this. So yeah, if you want to do it, you're gonna have to put in the work. That's all there is to it. But hopefully I gave you a good idea how to go about making a seat bracket or adapter bracket, whatever you want to call it, to mount to your OEM sliders in your car. So now you can take that information with you and apply it on your own build. Thanks for watching. I will see you at the next one.